if you remember, nung panahon po ni Pangulong Duterte, yung pong build, I happened to defend the budget of the DOTR during that time. Kaya po nung nasil po yung NSCR and the Metro Manila Subway with Japan, lagi po ako nakasama doon and I was a witness. Na-excite po ako kasi ito na yung di ba? At least mangyayari na. On the hindsight, 1998 pa, panahon pa ng President Erap, North Rail, South Rail, we lost already almost 30 years. Diba? So, na-excite ako doon. And then, nung pagpasok po ni President Bongbong Marcos, yung build, gagawin build better more, mas lalo ako na-excite. Mas dadamihan pa at magko-concentrate siya infra. Anong nangyari? Nabinbin itong yung South Long Haul and Mindanao Railway. Dapat ho, ito, Mr. President, ako, kaibigan po, I want you to succeed because his success will be our success. Sana po, ito yung hanapan ng solusyon because pang long term po tayo I'm looking at what will be good for the future. Hindi lang, maraming sabi, kailangan natin trabaho at hanap buhay. I think ito po talaga ang investment natin for jobs and opportunities.